13 people are now confirmed dead in the state of Louisiana in what officials are calling the most destructive natural disaster since Superstorm Sandy.
More than 30,000 people being rescued and more than 40,000 homes damaged there.
Louisiana's governor has declared a state of emergency.
Your livelihood is here in your front yard.
That's it. That's 25 years of your stuff, you know?
The recent floods of Louisiana may have finally subsided,
but they left in their wake more damage than this country has seen from a natural disaster since Hurricane Sandy.
Louisiana still needs our help.
Schools have nothing.
families lost everything.
Together, we can make a difference.
We remember what it was like having gone through Hurricane Sandy.
And getting tremendous help even after the floods disappeared.
We remember.
We remember.
We remember.
We remember.
We remember.
Louisiana, we want you to know that Long Island cares.
Long Island cares.
Long Island cares.
Long Island cares.
Long Island cares. Now we're here to help.
Join us as we team up with the Long Island community
To help rebuild Louisiana by participating in our drive.
Every donation helps.
Stop by one of our drop-off locations today and let's show Louisiana that Long Island cares.